Hey everyone, this is Peter with GoodyReader.com, and today is a very quick and dirty video on how to enable the Google Play framework on your Boyue devices. It is in the device and it does come with Google Play, but if you don't see it here or under the apps, which you won't see it there, what you do, it's very simple. You go to User Settings, then you go down to Apps, then you go to the little gear here, which is going to be Configure Apps. Simply click on Enable Google Framework. It is a toggle, and then when it toggles, you just go back home, press the home button a couple times. You'll see it there. That's on your most recently used application list, or you can go to Apps itself, and boom, Google Play is right there. You can click on that, sign into it, cancel updates, do whatever you'd like. And you see we're updating right now because we have already had it, but for this video I deleted it and put it back on. For GoodyReader.com, and a very quick video on how to enable the Google Play framework on your Boyue, this is Peter.